landmark step taken by the Finance Ministry. A clarification has been issued regarding the opening of bank accounts by members of the LGBTQ community. Well, this notification, which was released by the Finance Ministry just yesterday, makes it very clear that anyone who belongs to this community has a right to open a bank account, and not just that, they can also, kind of name their partner as one of the nominees. This is following a Supreme Court order of 2023 regarding the discrimination faced by some of the people of the LGBTQ community, and the Finance Ministry really wants to issue this kind of a clarification. And this, of course, took place just after a meeting which was taken with the Cabinet Secretary, the RBI officials as well, and also members of the Finance Ministry. What this essentially now means is that if anyone who belongs to this community does not need to hesitate to go to a bank and open an account. No one can be dismissed or denied this opportunity. Remember, when you open your bank account, there is one column which talks about the kind of gender you belong to. There have been complaints by members of this community that they were either scorned, they laughed upon, or some of the private banks were very reluctant in giving them an opportunity to open an account. Well, now with this kind of an order coming in from the Finance Ministry, this would be seen as an act of discrimination and therefore culpable, liable to a certain amount of punishment, because everyone in a country has a right to open a bank account if you follow the basic requirements. And therefore, if you belong to this community, this is the good news which is really coming in from the Finance Ministry as well as from the government. You know, on multiple platforms, the Prime Minister has been making it very clear that everyone should be respected. They are also human. They have every right. Apart from the judiciary and the courts, it's the people who must understand the kind of rights they enjoy. The Finance Ministry has been receiving complaints, that's what we have been told by our sources, of many members belonging to LGBTQ community, that when they went to the banks, they were denied basic banking operations, even opening a fixed deposit, investing their money, or even, of course, as far as opening of the bank accounts is concerned. With this kind of a notification coming in from the Finance Ministry, this big hurdle, a financial hurdle, is of course going to come to an end. And therefore, this is seen as yet another win-win situation and a big victory for a community which has been fighting for respectability and acceptance, and also getting over the social stigma as well.